Using Chrome can be annoying at times because its user interface is not so user friendly. Today we are going to look at some experimental features of Chrome which will enhance your browsing experience to a great extent, and this will actually make this browser a lot more user friendly. So watch this video till the end to get the best out of your Google Chrome in your Android phone. Hey guys, Ravneet here, and if you do end up liking what you see here, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Let's now get this video started. Before starting, make sure that you have the latest version of Chrome installed on your phone, and now type Chrome flags in the address bar. This will take you to the experimental features of Chrome, and here you will see a warning saying that these features are not stable, but actually they are pretty stable, so don't worry about it. Let's now start with the most interesting and useful one. To switch between tabs on Chrome, you have to set your finger all the way to the top of your screen, which can be hard if you are using a really big device, but not anymore. Just search for Chrome Duet flag and enable the third option and restart your Chrome browser. And once your browser is restarted, you will see that the tab switcher, home and search options are shifted to the bottom of your screen. Now you can use your phone with one hand without any problem. You can also open new tabs by long pressing on tab switch option and just swipe left and right on this strip to switch between tabs. How cool is that? Moving to the next flag. By default, when you tap on tab switch option, you get this kind of layout, which honestly looks messy. To change this, search for tab grid layout flag, and from here you can choose the aspect ratio you want. I will go with this one, and once your browser is restarted, you will have this kind of layout, which is way better than the default one. Sometimes you are reading something and then you see a link which you want to open, but at the same time you don't want to go to the next tab to read it. Chrome got you covered here. Just search for ephemeral preview in flags and enable it, and restart the browser. And now whenever you long press on any link, you will have this preview option. This will let you open your link in the same tab to give you a sneak peek. And if you want to open it in new tab, press on this and it will be shifted to a new tab. There are times when you are reading something on your phone and then you want to read it later on a bigger screen of your laptop. For this you can take the help of Chrome Sharing Hub, enable this flag and restart the Chrome. And when you go to share option, you will see a new redesigned menu, and here you will see a QR code option which doesn't work because hey, these are experimental features, so you cannot really expect everything to be working. But what's working is this send to your device option. Just press on it and it will show all the devices on which you have signed in with your Google account. Just tap on it and you will get a notification with the link of your article on your laptop. But what if you just want to share a simple text from your phone's clipboard to your computer's clipboard? For that you can enable shared clipboard flag, and now when you copy any text on your phone and press on share option, you will see that your laptop is also listed there. Just tap on it and it will automatically copy the text in your laptop clipboard. And the good thing is that you can copy and share text to your laptop not only from Chrome browser but from anywhere on your phone, because you will get this share option outside of Chrome browser as well. And hey, I got one more flag to make your sharing experience even better. Just enable share button in top toolbar flag. This flag will add a share button next to the address bar, which will surely help you while sharing links. If you're someone who downloads lot of stuff using Chrome browser, then you must have seen that the download page of Chrome is too messy. I mean, there is no proper categorization. But Chrome has a flag for this. Search for content indexing flag and enable it. And now when you open download section, you will see a much cleaner UI with the categorization done properly. Talking about downloads, by default Chrome downloads are sent to download folder, but you can change this by going to downloads option in settings of your Chrome and enable these options. And next time whenever you download something, it will ask where to save the files, which can be handy if you download different types of files on regular basis. Next one in this list is about managing your passwords. You must be using Chrome autofill option to log into your accounts, but when you change the password of your account, you actually don't have the option to edit your passwords which are already saved into your Google account. The only option you have is to go to manage passwords and delete your saved account completely, and then log into that account again and save your new credentials, which is kinda annoying. But you can save yourself from going through all these steps. Just enable Google Password Manager UI and restart your browser. And now when you go to manage passwords option, you will see a completely different UI, which is much more user friendly, and yes, you can edit your saved passwords from here. You can copy text and share it with other people, but now you can also copy images. For that, enable copy image flag and restart your browser. And now whenever you see any meme or any image while browsing, you actually don't have to download it or take a screenshot to share it with your friends. Just long press on it and you will get the option to copy the image in your keyboard's clipboard. But do note that to use this feature you have to be a beta tester of Gboard app and make sure that your Gboard app is up to date. Otherwise you won't be able to paste the image. And there is one more flag regarding images that you can enable. Just search for Google Lens powered image search in flags and enable it. And next time whenever you long press on any image, you will get this Google Lens option, which is lot better than the default one. Apart from these flags, you can enable these as well. Overscroll history navigation. This will let you go to back and forth between pages by swiping left or right. Parallel downloading will increase the downloading speed. Smooth scrolling flag for scrolling smoothly. You will notice the difference only when you load a heavy website, otherwise it will not going to make any difference. And next one is force dark mode flag. It will be useful if your phone does not have a native dark mode. And the last one is not actually a flag but a setting in Chrome. Go to settings of Chrome and in accessibility option enable these options. And next time whenever you open an article, you will get this kind of pop-up saying show simplified view. Just tap on it and it will make the web page a lot cleaner than before. And those disturbing ads will also be removed. It's pretty handy for readers. There are a lot more flags and I tried all of those and found these to be the most useful one. And trust me, all these flags will improve your browsing experience tremendously. So which flag caught your attention? Let me know in the comments below. And if you find this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope I will see you all in my next video. Till then, keep watching.